Some of them go they wonder why this man picture there, Senator Ned Nwoko, because really it's not my senator. It matter not supposed to concern me. Yes. And here is Senator Adam Soshomole. And here is our senator representing the Edo South, Senator Neda Imaswen. Both of them have almost the same name. Neda. Yeah. So this senator here, Senator Ned Nwoko, he has been trying to cause do I call it? I don't want to call it division. He has been trying to take part of Edo land to his Anioma states where they create. He don't even add some places according to what they talk on Twitter in boys. They don't even have some villages where those say that's what they want to create Anioma state. So there's a zonal meeting, a zonal public hearing in Uyo, organized by the Senate, South for South. So here is about the state creation, local government new creation, and things happening in South to discuss it. Discuss the way forward for South. So every senators were there, except our almighty Neda Imaswen. He was not there. Anything that want to bring light to Edo, they not they see Neda for them. Neda they forbid development. When you see Neda, you don't know say na enemy to development. Neda was not there. So our very own humble Senator Adam Soshomole, representing the Edo North, he was there. Oshomole, thank you so much, Senator sir. He was there to at least stand for us. Edo South, yes, he stood for us. He was there. He saw the memo and he promised to work on it, because this man, Senator Ned Nwoko here, is trying so hard to make sure say in carve Igbanke, carve Abudu, get some other company, other villages there. Oh na name they call them. They call Ogan. I don't understand this. I don't understand this, Senator Ned Nwoko. I don't know why he's so bent on taking our brothers in Delta. He want to take them to Southeast, according to him. He won't carry them across the bridge. Yes, that's one of their concern. Now the youth for them, and they will come talk say whether they like him or not. That is one of my concern. My concern is this our senator, this Senator Neda Imaswen. According to the ex live video I watched yesterday by Senator Ned Nwoko's boys, Oga Neda, not be me talking more. I go put the video for comment section. They say Ned Nwoko don't pay you. Now make you not come the meeting. Now waiting they talk. Not be me talking. Now Ned Nwoko boys now talk am say Ned don't bribe everybody. Nobody get anything to talk again. Now make you Neda Imaswen not come represent your Edo South. Because last time I checked, Ogan, they Edo South. All those villages where Ned Nwoko one carry join in own Anioma state where in the dream of. All of them there Edo South. You never want to raise voice, me you talk. What happened for Igbanke recently? I know you had pen for your mouth, you not talk. When me and you, I said you not do history. We know that Igbanke is pure Benin. For the first time, some people can't settle for there now. They can't claim as their land. Not be their land. Oh, God, it's pure Benin. We know, me and you know. I did this in school for 4 years. Pure Edo people, not them be. You know, say if you get village, maybe say now only 4 or 5 people they stay in the village. People will come visit, come more than people. It will influence them. I'm telling you guys the truth. It will influence them. But the real history of that place, I will put it on my comment section for you guys to read how it came about. But you see this Oga Neda. Oga Neda not talk. Now they go put soundboard for where they're not supposed to put soundboard. Say, oh, they make me laugh. Say Igbanke is Igbo. Oh, come when Igbanke come turn to Igbo. They go to say that Enoge na Obi. But that same Onoge, they receive salary from governor since so he not talk saying na Igbo. All of them are on that government they pay them. They be receiving the salary since he not talk. Now the next thing they go snap picture with Ned Nwoko said, and they were even there yesterday. They did Uyo yesterday. Neda was nowhere to be found, if not for Adam Soshomole that came to our rescue. Adam Soshomole, may our ancestors keep blessing you. Adam said it. No land of Edo is going to anywhere. Not even 1 by 1. 100 by 100. Not even 1 by 1 of Edo is going to any place. If you read the history of Edo, Edo long reach Onitsha. Yes, it is in your history books now. No, don't cut. You know, see they cut and they go. I don't know who send Ned Nwoko come back on the cut Edo into pieces. How can you carry your people who has history? Now you want to go and take them to where? I know it will not work. But for Edo people, for my Edo South people, I know many of you are concerned. One of my mama yesterday, Mama Debbie, she was saying when she was watching the Ned Nwoko's voice on X, she was just saying, "Oh, hey, oh, that's a mama, calm down." Then the Nwoko not get right to conquer any part for Edo land. except say Nigeria no they exist. Except Nigeria want to be unfair to the Benin Kingdom. Nigeria has been unfair to us for a very long time. Except that. So none of you should be afraid. Thank God that we have the likes of Adam Soshomole. I don't know what APC is still doing. Our rep will be deputy governor now. Why have they not replaced him till now? That place is now vacant. That's all the Mondopewolo senatorial is now vacant. I don't understand APC and I bet Nigerian politics is not waiting for they understand. But Oga Neda, I hear say you go Ogede yesterday and they come back to that topic. But for now, I want to ask you, why were you not there? Why are you not in Uyo? Why is it true what Nedumoko boy said that Neda settled you? Is it true? It's a question. I'm not telling you, is it true? Because they said it on X yesterday. They were doing a live stream. They say they don't settle you. Now make you know they talk. Who say you even give the whole of those sats, go give. If you even God, no. But I tell you guys, there's nothing to be afraid of. Let them keep talking. Let them keep Edo. None of Edo land, not even one by one, is going to anywhere. The only people I feel for right now, now my Ozanogogo people, my Edo people in Delta. I don't know if you guys want to go and add them to.
Hey, to God be the glory. That has always been the end of every Nigerian movie. Hey, Benin ambassadors. If you're a Benin guy, put your hand in the chest. Say, please, Lord, deliver me from this supremacy mentality. Hey, I laugh in pidgin English. You see, I am relaxed. I am totally happy of what is going on. I don't know how to express the joy I'm having. You know, they say this is the last kick of a dying horse. Well, I will respond to you now. I've never used this girl video to make video before, but I will respond to her now because now I have things to say concerning what she's talking about. Yes, now, it is good that they are not trying to fabricate story. You see, one of the lies of the 21st century is believing that Benin is an empire. And that is the assumption that most of them are running with. If you watch the video, you hear her talking about that the Do land is from Benin down to Onitsha. And I know English not be your mate. Ignorant is not an excuse. Edo State is just created 1991. When did Edo become the owner of our land to Onitsha? Even the bender that is older than Edo does not claim to be owner of the whole land. You see, that's why I say that propaganda and falsehood and lies is what people peddle on. You swim down in it. You say things out of emotion. Benin is not an empire. Nigeria had a war with Biafra. Yes. And we were told that kingdoms, countries that are interested in fighting what they will gain from Biafra decided to fight side by side with Nigeria. That's what kingdom does. How many kingdoms went on a war with Benin? That's to tell that Benin is not a kingdom. You know, when you will drag this issue, it gives us opportunity to always expose and go into research to find out things to counter what people are saying. This mentality that you are Benin Kingdom, all those places, is a false. It does not exist. How many of the Urobo kingdoms that you are claiming? How many of your Buluku kingdoms? How many of the Ishakiri kingdoms? How many of the Isoko kingdoms? How many of the Isha kingdoms? How many of the Uromis fought a war side by side with the Benin if you're a kingdom? Because that's what kingdom does. You are just a land grabbers, thief and invaders claiming to own everybody. You know, this issue started when Yoruba went to Lagos and started claiming they found Lagos. That's how all this historical evidence that you are talking about start coming out. Now, if you go to your page, you are fighting Yoruba, you are fighting Igbo, you are fighting Ishakiri, you are fighting Ijo. Everybody, you fight them. And all your statements, you don't have any single evidence. Igbanke is Benin, it's a pure Benin. We study in history. If they tell you now to bring a textbook that recorded Igbanke to be a Benin, you will not find it. I laugh again. These people are very funny. See what we are talking about? Because when lies stay for long, it become an institution. And when truth confront the line, it became rebellion. You people have lived in assumption that anything you talk about Igbo, people will quickly buy into it. That's why you people think that when you now accuse the Igbos, Nigeria will buy into those lies. Let me shock you. The northern Nigeria has woken up. It is before you say this kind of thing, they will come online and support you. Yoruba may be doing that because they are your brothers, then be. But some of the northern regions like the Plateau, the Benues, the Kogis, the Nasarawas, the Southern Kadunas, the Tarabas, the Adamawas has woken up. Now, before this story, they peddle, they make people, they feel say, hey, Igbo people want to do this, Igbo people want to grab land. People now know who is a land thief and land grabber. In the 21st century, you are claiming people's land. Thank God that nobody in this generation, information age, buy into that lies. Mostly the Igbankes and Igbo-speaking people in Edo State. They are the one making videos. They are the one talking about them. You are accusing Ned Nwoko. You don't know what you are not looking for who to appoint accusing figure to. When the Igbankes were the one who stepped out of their distress zone to go and meet Nwoko for help, why didn't they meet your own senator? The Imaswe, why didn't they meet him? It is people like you that is giving the world evidence why Igbanke should leave Edo State and join Anioma. Many of you don't even know what is happening. You don't know that your videos are evidence. When they ask Igbanke, why do you want to leave? He said the Beninese are insulting us, they marginalize us, they want to conquer us, they do this thing. People will say how, but you have been there before. They will show evidence. People like you. People like George Bedem, people like wounded civilians, people like Holy Better. You are the one fueling it, not we. We're here to share what you fuel. We're here to tell you what you are fueling, and we're going to be helping you for your foolishness. Keep on attacking the Igbankes, and let's hear where you get to. They say love lead. The Igbos have been the one sharing, supporting. You were being aggressive because you want to grab land. You came and used your bar to suspend them. Their kings are now telling you they're Igbos. You still don't want to. See, how do you want to know who is in the right side? When the real owners are telling you who they are, and you still bend down to say they are not. That means you have something motives. You have evil agenda against them. Now you are accusing your senator. That's why I say you people are not, you people don't even read the signs on the wall. You are accusing your senator. It is people like you that made them walk to leave PDP and join APC. Because when we started this movement, he was in PDP. People like you started creating platforms, accusing the man that he will never come back, threatening him online and offline, writing things against him and his wife. Then his wife don't leave her. We remember he trended. People where they believe Sarah reporters, remember he trended, but today we know say those things don't happen. The man just keep quiet. He moved into APC. You have forgotten that this your governor Pobelo came to the switching of PDP to APC to support Ned Nwoko, and you think the APC agenda is not to Greater Anioma State. You think that we are senator representing the Edo South, the Imaswe is not in the platform to support Anioma State creation. You don't even know what is going on. You don't understand politics. You are using emotion. You don't understand truth and fact. You don't even read the handwritten in the world. There are laws that many of us are not taking advantage of. Go and find out. You are here accusing your government. Your senator stayed back in Edo State because he's supposed to hold a South-South geopolitical zone senators meeting, which was held Day before yesterday and yesterday, on Saturday and Sunday. Your senator was the one hosting them in Benin. Do you know about that? You don't know. But you accuse him, he didn't go to Uyo because they don't bribe him. There are 85 senators who are signed to support Anioma State. How much is Ned Nwoko worth to sponsor all of them, to bribe all of them? Yeah, I wish they in Nigeria made arrest you. That time people go say, I stand with the Omorui. They go stand tire. And you as a Benin man, this young girl will never marry. They instigate you. Either abroad, things happen, they go kill you or they go arrest you. You know, so before now that they threaten Igbanke people. Now I'm telling you, if it's short for you, go to Igbanke. Tell them, say this land belongs to Benin. If you survive and come and give testimony. Now before now they threaten people. Now the people are not trying to tell you that it's not going to be possible. Go to Igbanke now, and go and tell them that the Benin own this land. Table don't turn, no. But I know they see table don't turn. These guys are the one who meet Ned. These guys are the one making the move. You push Ned to APC. The Gandu APC chairman was there. Your governor was there. Your senator was there. And you think that gender of him joining the APC is not part of the great Anioma State. And you think that people like you are not fueling the reason why the Igbanke will be called to join. You are saying Oshomole came there to save you. With Oshomole. Oshomole that came 3 hours after the meeting has started. Because people are not following. Oshomole cannot even stand against it when the Senate president and everybody is in support. Hey, do Robo senator signed for this? Are you aware? Do Robo senator signed for this? That is Delta Central and Delta South. The senators supported the Anioma State creation. The only problem they are having in the other side of Delta is who will be, where will the capital be, and who owns the capital. That's why the fight between Shakiri and Yoruba is persisting. They want to know the real owners of Warri, so that when they give their capital, they will know who they give capital. Igbo people not there united, but the Yoruba, they fight for land. Yoruba and Shakiri, they fight for land. Who owns Warri? You don't see them. You're accusing your people when you don't have facts, and some people will be online that be telling you, not knowing you're misleading them, inciting something that will make them fight a war that they will lose, because this is a lost battle. And they see report, they say they were fighting and doing this. When I think say those information go change the narrative or change what is already happening on ground. People don't even know what is going on. People are just living in illusion. In fact, let me burst your bubbles. The small Shakiri communities that find themselves in Edo State, Urobo and Ejo, table their request in Uyo public hearing that they want to also leave Edo State and join the new Delta State that will be created if Anioma is carved out. When they here, they fight Igbo. When I don't know, when they on our own. Why? Because it's not because there's a problem with the Eastern side of Edo State, because there's a problem with the Benin side of Edo State, where you people feel superior. That's why I say, put your hand in his chest. May the Lord, you people will soon remain alone in that state with your 3 or 4 local governments. That is when your eye will be clear, because there's a boundary adjustment that is going to go on in this constitutional amendment. There are a lot of dissatisfaction coming from different quarters, not only Igbanke, not only Iru, not only Ekpo. If your people that are find themselves in Anioma want to leave, you think we will hold them? Bye-bye. We know they hold them. After all, the Lukumi communities, led by the Ayo, they want to join. They were in New York supporting. The book community, which is Igala, do not have any issue with us. It is only people who stay with people who have issues, because you and your Oba feel superior over others. You are living on the false narrative in the 21st century that you conquer everybody, you own everybody. That is why people are leaving you. But you people don't want to wake up. Wake up and smell the coffee. Wake up and smell the coffee. You people, you just sit down on where you are and be saying you go to Twitter space and be listening to people. Be listening now. The Twitter space you people created when network started on all this thing. Does it stop the government from listening to him? I'm out of here, Joe.